Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Subscribe to our channel for lots of fun videos posted every day. We have a very fun video for you today. We're first going to open the Sky Show rig. It includes this fire patrol truck and an airplane that's it's an airplane that flies in the sky shows. So it does need a fire truck, just in case. The transporter has a detachable cab, and they look super fun. There's a whole collection you can collect. We're going to open some more. Be sure to stay tuned on our channel. We also have a bunch of surprise dinosaur eggs that we're going to open and see what's inside. So here we go. Here's this Sky Show rig by Hot Wheels.
And this is actually a fire plane.
So here's the Sky Patrol with its fire plane. This fire plane is actually part of a sky show, the airplane show, and it's super fun. It has moving rotors, and it's made of die-cast material, so it's super high quality. Let's take a closer look at the truck. Looks super sharp. It has a landing pad so the airplane can land right on its back. Awesome, that looks super fun.
Airplane's coming in.
It's an awesome transporter fire truck. Now let's go ahead and open our surprise dinosaur eggs.
Let's open. The Stegosaurus wants us to open his egg. Let's open the Stegosaurus' egg. Ooh, we have another egg. We have another egg in here. Trash packs! P.U.
How many trash packs are there?
We have 2 trash packs.
Let's see who they are. Look at these little guys.
The Stegosaurus was guarding trash packs.
Let's see, what does the dinosaur think of his egg?
It's disgusting. It smells, and the dinosaur thinks that he's okay with it.
Yeah, look at that. I think he likes them.
We're gonna trap them.
They're a cutie, even though they look kind of disgusting. Okay, we have more eggs to open. So let's see which one is next.
Oh, let's open this egg.
What do you think it's inside?
Again! Look.
It's a purple egg.
Why is there another egg?
Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh! What do you have there?
A bouncy guy.
What is it? It's a lizard.
It's a stretchy lizard, look.
Let's open more eggs. Which one are you going to open next? This blue one.
The Stegosaurus wants us to open his egg.
You ready to open this next egg?
Another purple egg.
What's in there? What do you think?
Sure, it's been in there for the video. A minion! We have a Lego minion. It's a Lego minion.
He looks like a pirate.
He's a pirate. He has his costume on.
Awesome. Do you like the surprises?
Yeah. Woohoo!
Look at this guy. The lizard is up on this dinosaur. And the T-Rex.
That's his friend.
Oh.
His friend.
Okay, we have 2 more eggs. So let's go ahead and open those.
Right next to the Stegosaurus. Look what's been there. Wow, it's been there for a very long time. Look how long it's been there. Oh my god. Look, how long has the blue egg been in there?
For a while. It's been trying to hatch. Let's see if it hatched. What's inside? Or you make it hatch. Oh my goodness, what's in there? Is it a dinosaur?
No.
What is that?
I don't know. Is it an airplane engine?
I like that. No, it's not an airplane engine.
What
It's
is
a top. It actually spins. So try to spin it. See?
It moves.
Is it an airplane engine?
No.
But it does look like one, so you're right. Okay, so let's see. We have one last egg.
The Stegosaurus.
It's our last egg. And it's yellow.
It's a yellow egg.
Do you think there's a dinosaur in there? What's your guess?
A dinosaur's too big, but we do have small dinosaurs. How long has this been in that egg?
How long has that been hatching?
Yeah.
For a while.
But it didn't get to hatch because the egg. A ball!
Yeah. Can you bounce it around? Yeah. What do you think of the surprises?
They were great.
Look how many surprises our dinosaurs had. And none of them were dinosaurs. Well, there was this little tiny lizard here. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and watch more by clicking the I above. Bye everybody.